Okay, this is a short video on how to track your important meetings within Salesforce. Now, what we have is on the far right, we have the activity panel. And again, we have log a call, new task. Both of these are tasks. And this is your calendar. We also have the meetings button here. And this is where you want to track your important meetings. We don't give you the ability to create a new one here, because what we want is for you to come over at the household level, click on this icon for new calendar, and we'll just call it annual meeting, and we're going to do it Saturday, whatever. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this box here, create meeting record. When you do that, well, regardless of whether you do it, it's going to put it on the calendar. But when you also check it and save it, in addition to being on the right side panel here, annual meeting, what it's also going to do is there's functionality behind the scenes that is going to create it over here. And it's going to give it the naming convention of the subject dash the date. So we have it set for 110. Now, if I come in here and say, we're not doing it Saturday, I'm going to come in here and change this to show that it's going to be on Monday, the 12th. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And what's going to happen is when we go back to the household and go to the meeting, we can now see that the date has been updated to the 12th. So what this does is it allows you to segment your important client meetings into a separate area so that you can then see what the discussion was. Now, in these meeting recaps, you can either type into each one of these fields if you discussed a specific topic, or you can just take meeting notes here, and this is 32,000 characters, and you can type to your heart's content here. So there is no best practice for you in terms of how you want to do it, but this gives you a chance to track that information. Now, the reason why we break meetings out separately is over here, you're going to have a lot of activities, and it may be hard to really dig in. Salesforce doesn't give you the greatest ability to say, only show me my annual meetings. You can come in here to the gear and say, only show me my events. But as you have a lot of events over time, they're all together. So it's really hard to break out the important meetings. So that's why the functionality, you check that box, create meeting record, when you're creating an event, and it will create that interaction summary or meeting and associate it to the household. Please let me know if you have any questions.